मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस है। DIS स्टैंड्स फॉर, तो इसका आंसर है ड्रग इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज। ड्रग इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट इज द IP लिमिट सिंकिंग टाइम ऑफ एब्जॉर्ब्ड कॉटन? दैट इज 10 सेकेंड। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, द नॉर्मल वैल्यू ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन इन इन्फेंट इज, ऑप्शन है हमारी डी, 16 to 18। Question number 4, which branch of medicine deal with diagnostic and therapeutic value? The option is radiology. And question number 5, at what temperature the blood can be stored? तो वो है 4 degree Celsius. Question number 6, if the bed size is 201 to 300, then how many pharmacists should be there? The answer is 10. EOQ stands for, EOQ stands for economic order quantity. HAVC stands for high ventilating and air conditioning. Question number 9, what is the length of tube of blood transfusion set, BT? That is 6 feet. Question number 10, the thread used to tie blood vessels and tissue is called ligature, Ligature. Option B. The thread used to tie blood vessel and tissues is called ligature. The thread used to stitch together the edge of various tissues with the help of needle, for example skin, muscle, tendon, etc., called sutures. Question number 11. ROM stands for read only memory. Etiology means cause of disease. Question number 13. Diabetes, peptic ulcer comes under which type of disorder disease? Option C. Endocrine exocrine disorder. Question number 14. PCV stands for packed cell volume. Packed cell volume. Option D. Decrease in neutrophils count is neutropenia. Schizophrenia, splitting of mind, Alzheimer's, progressive neurodegenerative disorder. And decrease in neutrophils count is neutropenia. Question number 16. The normal value of bleeding time range from 1 to 3 minutes. Option C. Bleeding time BT 1 to 3 minutes. Clotting time is 5 to 10 minutes. Question number 17. Normal fasting blood glucose blood sugar level is, option D, 80 to 120. This is 70 to 100. Normal fasting blood sugar level. The normal value of blood cholesterol is 122 to 40. Question number 19. In a state resulting from the repeated use of drug is drug habituation. Question number 20. Morphine and heroin comes under narcotics. Question number 21. Which is not the example of drug addiction? That is tea and coffee. Drug and chemical agent that affect abnormalities in developing embryo is called teratogenicity. Idiosyncrasy, genetically determined abnormal reaction to the chemical. ADR, undesirable effect produced by the drug. Question number 23. The normal rate of respiration in adult is 12 to 14 per minute. Role of pharmacist at bedside pharmacy is ward visit. Question number 25. What percentage of item in B category in the ABC analysis? 20%. Inventory consists of the following: All of these: raw material, finished goods, in progress goods. Question number 27. Sheep is used for the production of antibacterial sera. Option B. Question number 28. Clostridium botulinum cause food poisoning. Clostridium botulinum cause food poisoning. Question number 29. Right statement for drug food interaction is milk reduce absorption of tetracycline. Milk reduce absorption of tetracycline. Neurotic poisons are Nux vomica, chloroform, conium. Neurotic poisons are Nux vomica, chloroform, conium. Question number 31. Given the following are the teratogenic drug except chloramphenicol. Except chloramphenicol. Tetracycline, warfarin, and phenytoin are teratogenic drugs. Question number 32. Which teratogenic drug cause hand and eye defect? That is warfarin. PTC stands for Pharmacy Therapeutic Committee. Pharmacy Therapeutic Committee. Most common side effect of morphine is constipation, diarrhea, ampicillin, hypersensitivity due to penicillin, and abdominal cramp due to loperamide. Question number 35. Teratogenic drug effect is foetus. Teratogenic drug affects foetus. Question number 36. The PHC stands for Primary Healthcare Center. Primary Healthcare Center. On the basis of system of medicine, hospital is following type except TB hospital. On the basis of system of medicine, hospital is following types: allopathic hospital, Ayurvedic hospital, homeopathic hospital, Unani hospital. Question number 38. On the basis of anatomical and physiological specialization, hospitals are following types except cancer hospital. On the basis of anatomical and physiological specialization, hospital are ear, nose and throat hospital, orthopedic hospital, kidney hospital, eye hospital. How much floor space is required for compounding and dispensing area in 50-bed hospital? Answer is 205, 205 square feet. 320 square feet floor space is required for compounding and dispensing area in 100-bed hospital. 435 square feet floor space is required for compounding and dispensing area in 200-bed hospital. Question number 40. How much floor space is required for storeroom in 200-bed hospital? Option C, 200 square feet. 200 square feet floor space is required for storeroom in 200-bed hospital. Question number 41. Which factors contributing to non-compliance? All of these: unpleasant taste of medication, fear of becoming drug dependent, and side effect of drug dependent. These are all non-compliance. Description: factors contributing to non-compliance: unpleasant taste of medication, fear of becoming drug dependent, and side effect of drug dependent of therapy, frequency of administration. OTC stands for over the counter. Drug products that can be purchased without prescription is OTC drugs. Drug products that can be purchased without prescription is over-the-counter drugs. LARS stands for Medical Literature Analysis and Retrieval System. Medical Literature Analysis and Retrieval System. Question number 45. An antidote for morphine poisoning is naloxone. Question number 46. An antidote for lead poisoning is BAL. EDTA is antidote for arsenic poisoning. Atropine is antidote for pilocarpine. Naloxone is antidote for morphine poisoning. Question number 47. An antidote for iron poisoning is desferoxamine. Desferoxamine. EDTA is antidote for arsenic poisoning. Atropine is antidote for pilocarpine. BAL is antidote for heavy metals, gold, lead, mercury poisoning. BAL stands for British Anti-Leucite. Question number 49. Which type of antidote is used when the nature of ingested poison is not known? Option D. Universal antidote. Question number 50. Which of the following factors affect bioavailability? All of these. Concentration of drug, functional interacting of GIT, and area of absorbing surface. Factors affecting bioavailability: particle size of drug, physical state of drug, dissolution rate of drug, pH of drug, concentration of drug, area of absorption surface, functional interacting of GIT, lipid solubility, degree of ionization, gastric emptying, molecular weight, first pass metabolism. Question number 51. Given the following are the composition of universal antidote except chloride. Normal WBC count in adult is 6,000 to 10,000 Cu per mm.